The small town community, we want to look out for each other.
We're kind of like a family here.
We've had many new employees come in and they go, I can't believe this place.
I've worked here for almost 14 years. Ever since I've worked here, safety has been a really important part of the whole environment.
It is the first thing that we always look at before you do anything.
It's always instilled in your brain, safety first, safety first.
Every person that walks around out here, safety is your job.
If someone happens to walk out on the floor with not having the proper PPE, somebody's going to stop them and say something.
Even a seasonal person that comes in can go to the highest person here at the plant and say, hey, you're not wearing your safety shoes or your gloves.
Nobody comes out there without steel-toe shoes. Nobody leaves without their bump cap, safety glasses, earplugs.
We have a whole matrix just for gloves, but that's another story.
You have gloves for packing, gloves for hot work, gloves. There's different gloves for every situation.
Everybody owns safety.
We all do.
All of us do.
We do.
Everyone.
Everyone.
We all do, right? Is that the right answer?
It's not up to management or anybody up there. It's up to us to look out for each other.
You never want to see anyone get hurt.
We all want to go home safe at the end of the day.
We all like each other to leave the same way we got here.
The safety standard's so high here because they care about the well-being of the people who work here.
It takes time. It's a slow culture change. It's people and personalities and patience. It's nice to actually work where people actually care about the other people.